Welcome to today's meditation. We are going to be focusing on gratefulness. And I need to see what the heck I'm doing. Okay. So, whether you are grateful for some answered prayers or really just a beautiful week, or simply you're grateful that it's finally Friday, let's focus on something that we are grateful for and see how it softens our hearts and gets us into the right mental state to carry us through a beautiful weekend. So, Lord's Prayer and Prayer of Protection, remember we say them with me or repeat them in your mind or even out loud. When you verbalize a prayer, it is more powerful. We will go into a quiet guided meditation. Sit silently for a few moments. We'll end the silence with the chime so I don't jolt you out. And we will close with the 23rd Psalm. So let's get started. I like to start with an exhale before a big inhale. And then as you let go of this second, that big inhale, close your eyes and begin to relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Let's just scan through our bodies quickly. And anywhere there might be tightness, usually in our jaws and in our shoulders, just invite it to relax and let go. Scan right through your body. Now let's bring our attention to our heart. Notice there is that beautiful stream of light that runs through you, and it reaches out into your heart also. Carry that beam over to your heart. Find a nice place to just settle in. And let's think of something we're grateful for. Grateful for this time together. Grateful for family. Grateful this month's bills are paid. Find something to be grateful for. And if you're struggling, just be grateful for life, for the experience. Let this gratefulness fill your heart. Feel it becoming joyful. Feel it softening. Our hearts are stony. They get rigid during the day. But as we focus on this gratefulness and joy moves in, it begins to soften. Allow this softening that is releasing any of the anger that might have been there to just vibrate through your whole body and out into your energy field. And let us sit comfortably in this soft, peaceful place of gratitude. And listen. Listen for any messages. Now invite this beautiful, comforting, soft energy to stay with you. Stay with you for as long as possible, carrying you through your weekend, through your weeks and months ahead. That this peacefulness is always there. Let us close now with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me besides the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Thanks, guys, for joining me again today. I hope you all have a wonderful, blessed weekend. I made a real boo-boo on my tickets and Chris's tickets for the Atlantic City Tissue Shortage Show, where we'll be doing readings of the entire room. I accidentally had it discontinue sales as of August 22nd. So if you were trying to get them and you couldn't, it's fixed. And if you weren't trying to get them, why not? See you on Monday. Bye-bye.